sometimes.
I can't get used to it. Don't ever try backing
Gotta go to the
up.
house. There's no paperwork in the shed.
Backing off.
Oh, is this your first time?
Yeah.
Oh, hey, how you doing? Good.
You're good. You're good.
Yesterday evening.
Oh my God. That machine looks... I'm surrounded by Suzukis. Look at them go. Look at them go. I hate you for those tires. So this was a win. So I have KingQuad, Don's KingQuad ahead of me, and Mikey's new KingQuad behind me. And we're gonna make a couple passes up Carl's Hill to get them both on camera. Don's taking off ahead of me. I hate you for those tires. I hate you for those things are awesome. Equivalent Polaris and Can-Am machines, on paper their specifications are probably better. They have more horsepower, more ground clearance, more suspension travel. I've watched these machines, Suzuki KingQuad's machine, for the last 3 years, and I say the specs don't always tell the truth. These machines perform extremely well on the trail, and I think at times they perform better than a Can-Am or Polaris, and they are hill climbers and a quality built machine. They've earned my respect, and I hope watching this video you'll feel the same way. Mikey is on the green KingQuad 500. I've referred to him as the godfather of mud. Don is our trip coordinator. He's on the white KingQuad 750, and he organizes our trail ride. And I am grateful the information these two brothers have shared with me regarding off-road riding over the last 3 years that I've known them. Can't thank them enough for what they've shared and what they've showed us on the trail. And just two brothers who have been doing this sport for a long, long time and are better riders than I am. Thank you, Mikey and Don. This is a great view. Watch the suspension work. These Suzukis are bulletproof. As I've stated before, GoPros don't do these hills justice. They are much steeper than they appear in my video, and they are ice today. We are riding on ice going up and down the hills, so please remember that when you're watching so you understand how well these machines perform. I'm surrounded by Suzukis. Look at them go, look at them go. Look at that 500 go, I love it. I love it. I love it. Those things look great. Oh man. So I'm chasing these beautiful Suzukis that like the Honda reek of quality, and Don and Mikey are brothers, and they just have grown to love Suzuki. Just love it. Very reliable. They say they can change a rear axle with 2 tools, and that's pretty amazing. So, oh, we're going down Demon's Elbow. This is one of our favorites. Favorite trails, Demon's Elbow. We'll look at Don's front end through my rear camera and Mikey's front end, or rear end, as we go down. Just, this is so beautiful. So beautiful. Dave and I walked this the first time. Just look at this. I won't say anything. Little hop. Beautiful. Off camber at the bottom. Oh, I forgot I had it in sport mode. Look at that bike in the snow. Hammer down going up this hill. Stay with Mikey. We're climbing a very steep hill out of Demon Elbow. It's a very steep incline. It is completely frozen. The mud underneath it is frozen. Mikey's 500 gets up the hill, but lo and behold, the big bore machine doesn't. Size does not always matter. I'll have another video to show you how I get out of this predicament on the hill. This is my GoPro rear camera. I'm mounted on the bumper of my ATV filming Don's 750 KingQuad going in and out of Demon Elbow Valley. And then you'll see he stops when I get stuck. Give it up for these camera angles. I'm really happy. This is some great footage. Please comment if you agree or disagree. This is totally impressive, no doubt about it. Great Valley. Look at this descent. Look at this descent. Rip it up. the seat. Oh, man. What a view. Look at this, people. What a view. Let's get off the couch. Look at this. Excellent engine braking going down. Oh, he's ripping up this hill. Look at this across that creek. Love it, love it. Oh no. So I'm on my big bore Can-Am XTP 30-inch cryptic mud tires on the high ground, watching the Suzuki KingQuad 500 and 750 breaking through that ice, about 2 feet of water to get to the mud. Pretty doggone impressive. Hope you think so too. I hope you like this video and will hit thumbs up and will consider subscribing to my channel. If you ride motorsports, please wear a helmet, and I hope to see you on the trail. Thank you. Oh man, loving it, loving it.